Speaker Anita Amongi amaso gamumyukidde mu Parliament olunaku olwaleero abaka wa Parliament bamutadde kazitowa olw'ebigambo byavuddeyo n'ayogera bwe yabadde mu lukiiko lwa NRM. Yagambye ebigambo ki? Yagambye mbu I will spend whatever it takes to get what we want. For your information, members, I can proudly say we didn't have opposition in the 11th Parliament, and for the 12th Parliament it's going to be swallow putti. This is going to be the easiest Parliament. Ebigambo byogeddwa Anita Amongi yabadde balikire ku mukolo gwa NRM era n'alayira nti Parliament ebaddewo yali yajimira yali yabagulaagula bonna mujjukire bya bitaano Kyagulanyi ne bagamba mbu Kyagulanyi oyo omwana alina empisa embi tayagaliza lolololo sente baziisa mu mateeka kati Anita Amongi akwegambidde nali najimira okitegedde soka labe ebigambo bye byennyini nga si byakuwandika wabula nga biva mu kamwa ke.
I will spend whatever it takes to make sure that we get what we want to get. And for the sake of MK, just assure MK, we will do whatever it takes. And for your information, members of Parliament, in the 11th Parliament, I can proudly say we didn't have opposition in Parliament. Have you heard that? In the 11th Parliament, opposition got swallowed. In the 12th Parliament, it is going to be walloped. Not swallowing, because when you wallop, it will not even come out. So this is going to be the easiest Parliament. It is going to be the easiest Parliament. And I can assure you, nothing is impossible with God. I will spend.
Omulide bwe bamala okukola ebikolobero nga bateekawo erinnya lya kitaffe Katonda. Kati ebigambo ebyo byayogedde ku mukolo gwa NRM. Olwaleero Parliament weesinzidde okumwota kajojijjoji w'ebibuuzo n'amaliriza nga abyegaanye. Omanyi bw'agambye mu Parliament mbu that is AI. Oyo gw'olabye Anita Amongi nkuddiramu ng'ayogera ebigambo ebyo by'owulidde to be woloputi. Okitegedde kati bwe bamutaddeko akazito mu Parliament abaludde oluvuganya abakulembeddwamu Odulu Jonathan ng'ono olwaleero akoze nga loop yayimiddeo mu bifo kya Joel Kinini gwe yasigidde okukola emirimu nga loop. Amutaddeko akazito n'abyegana n'agamba that is AI. Me, I never said anything. In fact, we are going to arrest those AI formulators who made that video because that's not me, that is AI. Okitegedde? Katulabe ebigambo nga bibadde mu Parliament nga abyegana.
Lastly, Madam Speaker, I want to raise this matter. I sit on the side of the opposition, and I am a member of the opposition. I am a member of the opposition. I was disturbed this morning by a video I saw which was shared with me of you, the Right Honorable Speaker, somewhere last evening, telling the country that in this Parliament where I sit, you have swallowed the opposition. I don't understand the context in which you said it. But to use the word you have swallowed, you demand to explain to us as members of Parliament.
Maybe that is AI.
You will respond. That's why I said I saw.
That is AI. I didn't say anything.
So I want to now warn that AI. That AI should not. Yes. That AI.
I am saying for us when we're in Parliament, we are one. We don't have those divisions.
Can I first raise them now?
That is AI. Now, if it is AI, I want to warn that AI.
Yes, but what you're saying is AI.
So whoever is responsible for generating such AIs and circulating such AIs should government...
We should actually arrest them. Those people. We should arrest those people.
Yeah, so as we go into appropriation, Madam Speaker, I want to state that the Constitution guarantees that the members of the opposition are heard in this House. They are not swallowed. They are not walloped. And any other bad thing that AI intended to do to the opposition should not stand. And any other bad thing that AI intended to do to the opposition should not stand. The opposition are not in this country to destroy anything. We are here by virtue of the Constitution. And I want to get commitment that as we go into this appropriation, we are not going to be treated in a partial manner. I know, like the Honorable Semuju has said, Madam Speaker, you are high-ranking and loyal card of the party. But when you are seated in that seat, you are not a member of NRM. You are not the national vice chairperson.
Thank you.
Yes, you are a Speaker of Parliament. And I implore you and I ask you, treat us as the Speaker of Parliament, even when you are outside. Let's try to keep our dignity as members of the opposition. I actually treat you better than anybody else.
No, not me. I'm not raising as a person. You the opposition.
When you make such comments, I don't think that's a good treatment.
No, even this side actually even complains that I favor opposition. That is the unfortunate bit that is there. But
should I be comforted that now you will not swallow, you will not wallow?
Nobody can. that is AI. Yes, Honorable. But you see, this trade order.
Great. Yes, also. As I told that is AI. Amaliriza akiriza in between now and at last nga bamukomeredde omusumali gutuusayo gutuddeyo bulungi naddayo ku bigambo benti. That is AI. Ndakikabiri n'akyusa. We won't be walloped. We want to be swallowed. So tujukanye ebigambo bibino. Is this really AI?
I will spend whatever it takes to make sure that we get what we want to get. And for the sake of MK, just assure MK, we will do whatever it takes. And for your information, members of Parliament, in the 11th Parliament, I can proudly say we didn't have opposition in Parliament. Have you heard that? In the 11th Parliament, opposition got swallowed. In the 12th Parliament, it is going to be walloped. Not swallowing, because when you wallop, it will not even come out. So this is going to be the easiest Parliament. It is going to be the easiest Parliament. And I can assure you, nothing is impossible with God. I will spend what...
Nza nzijukira musajja watu mpuuga maana ekyamutuukako. He was not swallowed, he was walloped. Okitegedde kuba bwe bamumira teyakomawo, yagendera ddala paka oba alikomawo musajja watu tumanyi. Naye kyetulina okwegendereza ennyo nti bino Anita amongi byayogera abyogera si ku lulwe wabula ku lwa General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Nate muli bw'ababyogera nezika nno waliyo ne nature kuba n'omubaka Helen Nachimuli owekalangala niyabadde n'enteekateeka ze mukama oyo guludde n'asaba n'agamba nedda Nachimuli koma wano. Okitegedde lwakuba ababi mukama olwawo batwala kati amongi ayinza okulwawo okugenda. Oranyi yali mulungi kyo ye yava yagenda mangu. Naye ate bino bizijukizaamu akatunda ke yanywa eggulu. Omanyi gwe omuntu okweta eggiraasi emu n'ejjaaga emu n'agamba nnywa nga yeetanywedde. Kati akatundako muli omutima gungamba nti mulimu ekyalimu. ngati ngono yebeka eyewerewera okuwaropinga up opposition ya 12 12 ngayenza nobu tatuukayo mu kujiweropinga up nga yeyinza okumuweropinga okumuwero misimanya werope okumumira nayitawo netugamba nti atulabyeko nnyo nze bwe ndabanga bwe nsuubiranga bwe nnengeranga akatonda akali eggulu mukajjukira so byonna abyesome ne this is campaigning tactics dusha tuli mu campaign akimanyi nti General Museveni ayina omuntu gwamutaddeko ye Robert Mao kuba speaker akimanyi nti General Museveni ayagala Mao akimanyi nti Salim Sale ayagala Mao kuba Salim Sale ne Mao bali bwe bati ate Salim Sale yawa Anita amungi akatonda oba kalimu okiggwe nange okitegedde ate muhoozi awuliriza bataata be kye bagambye bamugamba this agagamba jambo sa kati Yesu yakabega ku mwana mbu geno MK whatever they will say we will do for you okitegedde I don't know no kyayogedde so twabine kano ebigambo byagamba bya AI nga naye ate ne BBC CTV yagwanga BBC no si BBC UBC yengamba UBC Uganda Broadcasting Corporation CTV ya Uganda si eyo bwejiwambo bwewambye eggwanga nayo etadde akatambi kenyini Anita amonge omukolo gwabaddeko so tukawulire bulungi then tulabe oba UBC yekoze AI ono gye twatandikirako okusiba.
As a second national vice chairperson of the party, the Mighty Party, which is my party, me I came from, they say some people came from, I came from FDC, but I'm now in the party, inside. I am not even about to move an inch. I am grounded inside. You know how a jigger can enter in your feet. They say she came like a chido. Ajange chido. I came like a chido. I'm not going anywhere. If they tell us to shift to PLU, I will run faster than anybody. As a second national vice chairperson.
Owulidde obwamalaya bwabwe Gambia onali mu campaign. If they tell us to run to PLU, I will run faster than anybody. Kyagezaako okuteekawo nti ndi mugonvu n'omwana. Jukyalina kuba akatambi ng'agamba buno me am not intending to run for presidents in 2030 31. Yeah. Ndi tayegomba kwesima okuba president mu 2031 nga bwe bitambuzibwa. Kati olwaleero akugamba nti nze ndi mugonvu nnyo n'omwana mukkiririzaamu omubanga gumuleeta singa Museveni afa olwaleero ne bagamba nti katwegasse ku PLU tugenda kuwagira muhoozi Kayine Lugaba nti ngenda kumuwagira era nze ngenda okuba asookerayo ddala okweyisa okuga PLU. Kitegeeza nti ndi mwana muwulize onali mukwekuutira akadingidi basobole omuzza kuba sipiika. Okitegedde yeri ejjinja lyali mu kusamba naye ne bali bagezi bakimanyi bajja kumuworopinga she will be waroputi mu birinde mbu AI